My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. I like this tone. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better.
Okay, so we are going to be comparing the Tarte Shape Tape with the brand new Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. It says conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch. So the color I got it in was Swan. I don't know how that's gonna work. I prefer when the names are like light neutral or, you know. Okay, so it says it is infused with coconut water to delicately replenish skin's moisture levels, alpine rose to brighten skin's appearance and promote elasticity, and hyaluronic acid for a smoother, more youthful looking appearance. Hydrating, long wearing, photo friendly, non-comedogenic. And it says cover, contour, highlight, and retouch with this super perfecting natural finish concealer makeup hybrid. The ultimate multi-use formula for a modern and hydrated photo ready complexion. Okay, so I'm wondering if I should like throw in the Makeup Revolution one too. Like I want to do the Tarte on one side, the Too Faced one on one side, and then maybe I could use this like on my chin and forehead. I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I just have foundation on in my eyes. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte one on this side. And this is Fair. Okay, let me blend that out. And I'm going to be using my Real Techniques sponge and bouncing that up. Okay, so that is the Tarte. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced. Okay, so with the Too Faced concealer, you get 15 mLs or 0.50 ounces, and this was $29, I believe. Okay, it was $29, and so you get 15 mLs. The Tarte, you get 10 mLs and 0.338 ounces, and this is 25 or 26. So this is a better deal. You get 1.5 times the amount. And I just see that my color is out of stock on Sephora. Here is what the bottle looks like. It is a like doe foot wand, just like the Shape Tape. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on this side with the Too Faced. Okay, I think I can make this color work. I don't know, well, I hope. Yeah, I think it'll do the job. I can tell it is very full coverage, but it doesn't feel heavy. Let's see how it blends out. Ooh. Wow. I don't know if you'll be able to tell a difference because it is a very slight difference, but I think I like the Too Faced one more. It has like a more like flawless airbrushed finish. Alright, so let me do the chin and the forehead. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution concealer in C1. This is a lot less warm tone than the Too Faced one. I'm going to be looking whack as hell. Okay, so let me put some powder. I can't really tell a difference. I mean, they're almost like exactly the same. Let me see if I can zoom you in a little bit more. So, I don't know, maybe you guys, okay, so this is the Tarte side. And this is the Too Faced side. I don't know why, but I like the Too Faced side more. I can't explain why, because they look almost identical, but it just looks like a little smoother. They're almost identical. Like, if you already have the Tarte Shape Tape, I did like the way this one went on better as well. It blended out a little bit more smoothly, and it is a little bit more hydrating than the Tarte Shape Tape. So if you are dry and the Shape Tape is drying for you, then I would definitely recommend this. Plus, you get a lot more product than the Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, so they have 20 shades. Swan is described as fairest neutral. So let me swatch it for you compared to the other ones. And I do have the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I noticed that they tend to run a little on the like yellow undertone side. So here is Swan, which says fairest neutral. Now I will do Tarte, which this is in fair. Okay, so you can see it's more neutral, even though the Tarte is described as a fair neutral. You can see it's definitely more warm toned. And then let me do it with the Makeup Revolution as well, and this is in C1, which is the lightest one. And that is also pretty neutral. But so the only thing you can see that the Too Faced has a lot of coverage, but it is like very warm, so keep that in mind. Like, I'll probably combine this with some of my Tarte or the Makeup Revolution because I like my concealers to be like lighter and not very warm toned. That makes sense. Like, my foundation is warm toned, and I like my concealer to be kind of neutral, so it highlights it. But I definitely do think this is a bomb concealer. I like the packaging. I like the amount you get for the price. I love the coverage. I love how it applies, and I just wish they wouldn't make their Born This Way collection so like yellow. So those are my my thoughts and my feelings about the new Too Faced Born This Way concealer. If you have tried it, let me know in the comments what you think, or let me know if you're going to be buying it or if you're going to pass. Alright guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!